Okay, so another format in Microsoft Excel is we can enter numbers, of course, okay, the data with numeric values, okay. So how you want to enter numbers, okay, you need to click at the cell where you want the number to be entered, all right, and then type the number and press enter key. You may use decimal point, comma for thousand separators and other formatting as you type, okay. So I want to show it to you, okay. The example to enter a number, okay. Example here, we choose, okay, B1 as a cell that you want to enter the number. Example, I type 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, okay. So after you have done, okay, enter the number, what you need to do, just press enter key. Okay, so they will display inside your worksheet. Okay, so what it means by the other format that you can implement in this number by putting a decimal point, comma on and other formatting is, okay, so inside the home ribbon, can you see there is a number group? Okay, can you see this button? Okay, so this is for you to insert a percentage. This is you want to insert 1,000 separator. Example, I click this button, so they will put 1,000 separator here. Okay, and then this is for you to increase and decrease the decimal point. Okay, and then you will see there is a drop down menu here. When you click this drop down menu, there is another formatting that you can, okay, set into this number. Okay, the other way is highlight the cell that you want to format, right click, you choose format cells, and you will have this dialog box. On the number tab, you will see there is another category, same categories as the at the home ribbon. Okay, so from here you also can set the decimal places. Example, if you choose the currency, the symbols and everything. Okay, all right, so now you also can enter dates inside Microsoft Excel. Okay, so the important notes, okay, when you want to enter dates is the default setting, okay, for dates in Microsoft Excel is the US date format, or we're referring to the month, day and year. For example, when you type 8/5/2013, actually we referring to the 5th of August 2013, is not 8th of May 2013. Please remember that, okay? And then Excel will store the data as a number data type, okay? Dates are referred as a series of sequential whole numbers, okay? The first date in Excel's calendar is 1st of January 1900, okay? And it is given the numeric value as 1. Okay, the date of 20th of May 2018 has the value of 43,240. In cases when a year is omitted, Excel will assume the current year. And then when the day is omitted, Excel will assume the first day of the month. Okay, so now, okay, let's we try, okay, to enter dates inside Microsoft Excel. Example, when you type 7/10, when you press enter, okay, Excel will display, okay, as 10th of July. Okay, and then example, okay, if you enter as, okay, 9/20/13, when you press enter, okay, we referring actually as a 20th of September 2013. Okay, all right, so next we also can enter time in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so for time entry, if the time is not typed, okay, as either AM or PM, okay, actually Excel will display it in the 24 hours format. Okay, so they give you the example here. Okay, when the users type this way, the Excel will display this way, and this is the actual data. Okay, so now we try, okay, to enter in our Microsoft Excel. Okay, example, I type 16, okay, colon and 40. Okay, so when you press enter, okay, they will display at 1640, okay, because they display the user formats of 24 hours. Actually, the actual data is at 4:40 p.m. Okay, so how you want to change, example, date and time, how you want to change to another formats of date and time. Okay, so if you refer here, okay, this is a time, but if you refer at the formula bar, they will display the actual data. Okay, so same goes to date. Okay, now I want to show you how we want to change to another format. Okay, example, date. If I want to change to another format, okay, I go right click, format cell. Okay, you will have this dialog box. At the number tab, you choose date. Okay, so they will display the sample output here, and then if you refer to the type, there is a lot of options of formats that you can choose to display your date. Example, I choose the second one. Okay, they will display the day with the complete date. Okay, and then when I click OK, so they will display the full formats of the date. Same goes to the time. Okay, you highlight the time, right click, format cells, you will have this dialog box. At the number tab, you choose time. Okay, so this is a sample actual data. All right, and then the type here, okay, is the formats of time that you want to display inside your worksheet. All right, and then the location. Okay, when you want to set another location, you also can change the location here. Okay, so all right, so this is the way how you want to enter number, date and time.